Namaskar. It's an inner quest and very humble request to my Lord, to my Dai, whom I am requesting to take me across the Bhavasagara, the unending ocean. So, Vaaks, as everyone knew about Laleshwari, Rupa Bhavani, Razdan, and so many. I have also tried to attempt Vaaks, but it's not that easy to write a Vaak. Vaaks come in form of a sound, and when that sound emerges within, then one can recite it. I'm not able to write these Vaaks, so I record these and then write. About Laldyed's Vaak, I have just gone through revered A.K. Razdan ji's interpretation. So sweet and so good, too good. So I wish I'm also that able to get something out of it, but I prefer to sing it. I am comfortable in singing these, and while singing these Vaaks, I'm into a different world. Something happens, something different happens. I don't know what's the meaning of the words, but whenever I sing these Vaaks, these generate tremendous endlessness, tremendous. I'm not able to speak, I'm not able to express what happens while singing these Vaaks. So, listen to it and enjoy. Ahi, thank you, and good wishes to all.
Meti